Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use a Kenzan, one of the most important tools in Ikebana. So what is Kenzan? It's a heavy metal base with sharp pins that holds flowers in place. In English, it's often called a flower block. We use it in shallow containers to help flowers stand up and stay exactly where we want them. There's something I'd like you to be careful about when using a Kenzan. The pins are very sharp, so if you touch them too roughly, you might hurt your fingers. Please handle with care. Make sure the container is deep enough to cover the tips of the pins when you add water. This keeps the stems hydrated and makes everything look more beautiful. Place the Kenzan at the bottom of your container. Then pour in some water, just enough to cover the pins. Next, insert the stems gently but firmly into the Kenzan pins. Try not to push too hard, or you might damage the stem. Alright, when you are putting flowers into a Kenzan, make sure to use both hands, especially if the stems are soft. They can bend or break easily. First, stick the stem in straight, and then gently tilt it in the direction you want. Using both hands helps protect the stem and gives your arrangement a nice, natural angle. Just to repeat, always handle the materials with both hands. Use both hands to firmly insert the stem into the Kenzan. This is what it looks like when the stem is placed into the Kenzan. Angle the flowers to create space and a natural flow. Ikebana is all about balance and harmony. Take your time and enjoy the process. When you talk to the flowers and listen to what they are telling you, it helps reset your mind and brings a sense of calm to both your body and soul. It's like meditation. If you'd like to be even more helped by the beauty of flowers, please check out my ebook. It's available in both English and Japanese, so if you are interested in the Japanese language, be sure to take a look at the Japanese version too. You'll find all the details in the description box below. That's it for today's lesson. I hope this helps you get started with using a Kenzan in your own Ikebana practice. If you liked today's video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment. See you in the next video. Bye!